What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you some more dog updates. We narrowed it down to 4 dogs. All 4 of them are boys, and let's get right into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That would really help a lot. And really, I just can't wait to get it. And so we're gonna be meeting it to see which one we want the day before Valentine's Day, and we're gonna be getting it on the Monday of February vacation. So let's get right into it. These are the dogs.